Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack my natural hair. Someone requested this and here it is, so I listen guys. So first of all, we're going to be spraying my hair with water. I'm using my spray bottle to spray all over my hair because it's important you do that because you want to be able to comb through thoroughly, and you know it's natural hair and all. You just need to do this process. And then I'm going to be parting my hair. I already have a parting, but I just want to really make it more pronounced, so just making a center pattern. You can decide to do whichever one you want, side, but I prefer center. I feel like it fits me a lot better. So if you hear any noise, that's my baby making noise in the background. And then after spraying the hair, you want to comb through, like it's like you have to comb thoroughly. Make sure you tangle every tangled part of your hair. Comb really well, comb through, comb all the way, so that when it's time to pack and all that extra stuff, everything slips very well. So just going to with more water on the hair so that I can comb very well. Doing the same thing to the other parts, spraying the water and then combing. These are the two important things we need to do. Comb that hair very well. I think the reason why I can maintain natural hair is because my hair is soft. Anyways, going with this Cantu shea butter leave-in conditioner, applying that all over my hair. This will really help the hair to be even softer, and so you can even comb a lot better. So you don't have to use the Cantu, you can use any leave-in conditioner that you have. I think that would work. So I'm combing again, and then I'm going with the Eco Styling Gel. This is coconut. This one has like this coconut smell in it and it's really nice. So I'll be using that on my hair, applying that to the front parts especially, then going all over the hair with whatever is left on my hand. It's going with, you need this brush, like a hard brush like this. You really need it to help to brush the hair and make everything slip down. Just comb it to the direction that you'll be packing. I'm going to be packing it to the back, so you want to comb it to that direction. Apply as much gel as you want. That's the thing about this hair, like you use gel, so just apply as much as you want. Make your hair slip. Brush through. That's why I said you needed to comb thoroughly so that when you're brushing, everything slips down. So that brushing is really important. So right now I'm just bringing out a little bit of hair that on the side that I want to coil up, to give that coily side, whatever they call it. I don't even know what they call it. So doing the same thing to the other part of my hair, just apply gel, brush through, and that's it. Not so difficult. To the direction you want to pack. If you want to make it a ponytail, fine. If you want to pack it all the way to the back, anyone wants to do. I'm doing mine all the way to the back. So doing the same thing, bringing out a little bit of hair to coil up, and now I'm packing the hair now. So everything has slipped already, so I'm just going to use my hand to bring everything all together at the back of my hair. Brushing the back of the hair to make sure that part slips as well. Just making sure everything is properly slips down. Here now, you can see I use the black. You can use any hair packer, any elastic band you want to just pack your hair. yeah, So this is it, guys. This is what I do whenever I'm packing my hair. This is the whole process. Just taking a little bit of gel and using my hand to roll out that part. If you have a coiling iron, you can do that. I have one, but please, it wasn't that necessary. Just something I can use my hand to do. So going in with the olive oil. Olive oil. I'll leave it on the screen. I don't even know. I can't remember. I'll leave it on the screen. Edge control. Yeah. To do my edges. You guys, I don't even have edges. Like, I don't have front hair. This is something I've never just had right from time. Now I'm just going to apply a little bit of lip gloss on my lips to just finish up the whole look. So that's the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's all I do. That's how I pack my natural hair. Nothing too serious. You can even see my edges wasn't so anything because I don't have front hair. If you have tips on how I can improve my front hair, please drop it down. I'll be really glad and appreciative with that. So this is what I do. You asked and I have delivered. So if you want me to do any more of these videos or anything like what you guys want, let me know. So give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share, everything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.